And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to write in a square. We need a square or a simple rectangle. Let me make that black. Well, the color doesn't really matter. But we need a fill to illustrate it properly, and we need some text. Let me just paste something. When you resize it, hold Ctrl. Then you just select it all, go to text, and you want to put it on path, nothing works. You'll have to select the object first, go to path and turn the object into a path. Then select it all and use the text, put it on the path again. Now you can use the type tool and readjust the size, for example. Let me paste a couple of times this original text into it, in this text box, and if I select it all, I can now adjust it. For example, with the size over here. You can obviously change the font if you want. The alignment, you should keep it for the most part to left align. Everything else doesn't really create results that we need. You can also play around with the spacing between the letters and adjust it that way. And if you've got what you want, you now run into the problem of how to deal with the rectangle in the center. So if you just want to drag the text out of there, you can see it's still connected to the rectangle. So if I separate that and now I want to delete the rectangle, you can see that the text switches back to the original line format. So what you can do instead, let me press Ctrl Z here, you can only select the rectangle and then click on the X to get rid of the fill. And you don't even have to separate it. So let me press Ctrl Z a couple of times until I've arrived at this point. I select it all, then I hold Shift and click on the rectangle, and then I click on the X. And now you can select it and export it via file. And this is how you can write on a square in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.